Hello and welcome back to International Scholars, your gateway to extraordinary opportunities. Get ready to explore the world and achieve your academic dreams with the Government of Mexico's life-changing scholarship program. Join us as we uncover the requirements, benefits, and all the exciting details. Visit our website, www.internationalscholars.xyz, for even more exciting scholarship updates. Share this video with your friends who are passionate about education and international opportunities. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions, so drop a comment in the comment section below. Now, let's dive into the world of endless possibilities together. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The Mexican Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Mexican Agency for International Cooperation for Development have launched a scholarship program aimed at contributing to sustainable development and addressing global challenges. This program provides opportunities for individuals from over 180 countries to pursue master's and doctoral programs, undergraduate and master's level student mobility, and postgraduate stays. The scholarship program offers different modalities with specific maximum durations. The undergraduate mobility program has a maximum duration of 24 months, while the master's mobility program has a maximum duration of 12 months. The master's program has a maximum duration of 24 months. The doctoral program has a maximum duration of 36 months. And lastly, the postgraduate research stays have a maximum duration of 12 months. It is important to note the following guidelines. Scholarships will not be granted for thesis preparation to obtain an academic degree. The scholarship is non-transferable and cannot be deferred to subsequent academic years. And once the scholarship has been granted, the published periods in the results announcement will not be modified or extended. Moreover, there will be no changes allowed to the academic program, institution, or research arrangement. Selected applicants who receive scholarships from the Mexican agency can expect to enjoy a range of benefits, including monthly stipend, master's scholarships, as well as mobility and research at the bachelor's and master's levels come with a monthly stipend equivalent to 4 times the monthly value of the Federal Economic Measurement Unit. This currently amounts to around $12,614.80 per month. For doctoral scholarships and research stays at the doctoral and postdoctoral levels, the stipend is 5 times the monthly value of the UMA, which is currently $15,768.50 per month. Coverage of enrollment and tuition fees. The program covers enrollment and tuition fees based on the specific program requirements of each Mexican educational institution. However, the final decision on fee coverage is subject to the institution's discretion. Medical insurance. Scholarship recipients will receive medical insurance through the Mexican Social Security Institute. The coverage begins in the 7th month of the scholarship and lasts for a duration similar to the scholarship period. Waiver of Mexican visa costs. The cost of obtaining a Mexican visa will be waived for scholarship recipients. International air flight transportation. Upon successfully completing the academic program, scholarship recipients will be provided with international air flight transportation. The exact flight route will be determined by the Mexican agency. National transportation. If the scholarship recipient's studies are conducted outside Mexico City, transportation to and fro from Mexico City to the city of the academic institution will be covered. Air flight ticket purchase. The Mexican agency will purchase the air flight ticket for scholarship recipients. It's important to note that individual purchases will not be eligible for refunds. Ticket changes. Any changes to the airline ticket made by the scholarship recipient after it has been issued will be the responsibility of the recipient. Ground transportation reimbursement. In cases where ground transportation is assigned for national travel, the scholarship recipient must initially pay for the bus fare. However, the amount spent on the bus fare will be reimbursed. Certain individuals are deemed ineligible for the scholarship program. The following individuals are not eligible: foreign diplomats accredited in Mexico, as well as their direct family members; foreigners in Mexico who do not possess a temporary student resident stay permit; foreigners with Mexican nationality, including children of Mexican parents; foreigners with a Mexican visa for family unity, or those aspiring to obtain it; applicants who have received a scholarship from any federal government institution in the previous year; individuals who have been granted a scholarship by any agency of the Government of Mexico; and former grantees of the Mexican agency who apply for a scholarship before the lapse of the same number of months during which they received benefits. The following documents are required for the scholarship application. 1. Valid passport copy showing applicant's identification information. 2. Signed declaration letter by the applicant. 3. A maximum of 4 pages curriculum vitae filled out using a word processor and signed by the applicant. 4. Copy of a medical certificate issued by a public or private healthcare institution, dated no more than 3 months prior to the application submission, indicating good health. If the certificate is in a language other than Spanish, a certified translation must be provided. If you are studying in Mexico, you must also attach the following: 1. Unique population registry code, and 2. Temporary resident ID card for students. If the candidate is already pursuing a degree in Mexico, a copy of the academic transcript showing a minimum GPA of 85 on a scale of 100 or 8.5 on a scale of 10, issued by the Mexican educational institution in which they are enrolled, signed by a responsible authority. If the mobility is conducted in a language other than Spanish and different from the applicant's mother tongue, a copy of the communication issued by the receiving institution committing to provide tutoring in another language, specifying the language and the name of the tutor. A copy of the previous degree certificate must be submitted for graduate-level mobility, master's and doctorate degrees, and research stays at the graduate level. For undergraduate and graduate-level mobilities, copy of the letter issued by the home institution committing to recognize or validate the educational credits of the subjects or studies to be taken in Mexico. For master's and doctorate degrees, and research stays at the graduate level, copy of the studies certificate from the last study period issued by the home institution, specifying a minimum GPA of 85 on a scale of 100 or 8.5 on a scale of 10. There is no minimum average requirement for doctoral degree applicants. For research stays at the graduate level. The acceptance letter must indicate the provision of tutoring for the research and the name of the advisor and the research to be conducted. The acceptance or introduction letter for the Government of Mexico scholarship must meet the following requirements. It should display the institution's letterhead and contain the name and signature of the competent authority issuing it. The letter must indicate the duration of the studies or research with start and end dates, specifying the type of studies to be carried out and the name of the academic program. It must also specify the legal framework for collaboration with the Mexican agency and the scheme or exemption of academic costs to be granted. Applicants should request the higher education institution in Mexico to adjust the acceptance or presentation letter according to Annex 7 of this call. For more information on the acceptance letter, please check the description below for the necessary links. Here are the characteristics of the documents required for the application. 1. Documents in a language other than Spanish should include a simple translation into Spanish on a separate sheet. The translation must be signed by the applicant. 2. The applicant must submit the documentation in PDF format, and the documents should be in color. The maximum file size allowed is 1.8 megabyte. 3. All the requested documents must be attached to the application in the system before the application deadline. 4. The documents must be legible, ensuring that all the information can be easily read. 5. For documents that require a signature, the signature must match the one in the applicant's passport and be signed in blue ink. The selection of applicants for the scholarship is based on the following criteria, without any discrimination. 1. Submission of all the required documents is specified in the call. 2. Academic excellence in the applicant's educational background. 3. Preference will be given to applicants who have not previously received a scholarship from the Mexican agency. The scholarship results will be communicated via email to selected applicants. If a selected applicant does not respond positively, the scholarship may be awarded to another eligible candidate. Acceptance at a participating institution does not guarantee the scholarship. Decisions are final and subject to budget availability. Applicants must comply with regulations and visit the designated office. They are responsible for medical expenses and should have resources for the initial 60 days. The deadline for application registration in the Academic Cooperation Management System is July 21, 2023. The review and evaluation of applications will take place from July 24 to August 4, 2023. Selected candidates will be notified of the results from August 7 to August 11, 2023. The activities are scheduled to start from September 2023 and continue until December 8, 2023. To apply, visit the description below for the required links. Thank you for tuning into this exciting video about the Government of Mexico scholarship. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, the application deadline is approaching fast, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Visit our website at www.internationalscholars.xyz to access additional resources and guidance for your application. Stay tuned for more educational content and scholarship updates on our channel. Wishing you all the best in your academic journey. Until next time, keep reaching for your dreams and exploring the world of opportunities. Good luck.